If you're on the lookout for the perfect off-road companion without burning a hole in your pocket, you're in the right place. I present to you the 5 best affordable off-road e-bikes under $1,500. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an electrifying journey. For more information regarding prices and complete specs, kindly refer to the links in the description and subscribe to our channel for more related content. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Mukkpet Suburban 750. This electric beast packs a powerful punch with its 750-watt high-speed brushless motor, allowing speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Whether you're tackling roads, grass, sand, or mountains, the Suburban conquers all terrains, making it your go-to travel companion. The high-capacity 48-volt 15-ampere-hour battery ensures an impressive range of up to 45+ miles per charge, thanks to Mukkpet's exclusive battery management system technology. The 26 fat tires provide stability and a smooth ride, while the Shimano 7-speed drivetrain ensures precise and smooth gear changes. And guess what? The upgraded rear rack is perfect for all your daily needs, from delivery to shopping. With 5 working modes, including pedal assist, throttle, ordinary bicycle, cruise control, and walk mode, the Mukkpet Suburban 750 is a versatile off-road companion that adapts to your every need. Plus, the added rear tail light enhances safety during nighttime rides. Moving on to number 4, we have the Urban Drift Figoo S1, an electric bike designed for those seeking an exhilarating ride. With its powerful 750-watt motor, up to 1,000-watt max, this e-bike offers exceptional performance and versatility. Whether you're cruising city streets, conquering off-road trails, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, the Figoo S1 guarantees an unmatched experience. Featuring extended range and speed, the Figoo S1 offers up to 80 miles per charge and a top speed of 32 miles per hour, perfect for those who crave both speed and distance. The durable construction and comfortable design cater to riders of all skill levels, and the adjustable seat height ensures a perfect fit for everyone. User-friendly features abound with multiple riding modes, adjustable settings, integrated LED lights for enhanced visibility, and an intuitive control panel for easy access to essential functions. Safety is a top priority with reliable disc brakes, a robust suspension system, and wide fat tires for excellent traction and stability. Coming in at number 3 is the Oraimo Monster 100, an electric bike that prioritizes speed and convenience. With a 3-hour fast charging capability and a 36-volt 13-ampere-hour large-capacity lithium-ion battery, you can enjoy a quick 7-mile ride after just 15 minutes of charging. The 350-watt Bafang motor propels you to speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, effortlessly tackling any terrain. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride with a front fork and airbag saddle, while the mechanical disc brakes provide added safety. At our runner-up spot is the Ecotric Rocket, a powerful 26-inch fat tire electric bike built for off-road enthusiasts. The 500-watt rear motor provides a strong driving force, making it ideal for camping, hunting, fishing, or long-distance trail rides. The 36-volt 12.5 ampere-hour removable lithium battery ensures a substantial range for your adventures, with a charging time of approximately 6 to 8 hours. With 4 working modes, pedal assist, fully electric, pedal mode, and booster mode, the Ecotric Rocket offers a versatile and cost-effective off-road cycling experience. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame, coupled with a suspension front fork, absorbs vibrations effectively, and the Shimano 7-speed drive system ensures a smooth ride. Taking the crown as our number 1 pick is the DYU King electric fat tire bike. This powerhouse boasts an LG high-efficiency battery, providing an impressive 45 to 80 miles per charge with its 48-volt 20-ampere-hour battery. The 750-watt high-speed brushless gear motor propels you to speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, offering a thrilling outdoor experience. The strong fat tire mountain bike design, featuring 26 by 4 wide puncture-resistant tires, allows you to conquer any terrain, from sand and snow to dirt and mud. Safety is paramount with front and rear dual hydraulic brakes, a high-strength front suspension fork, and a 7-speed transmission system for optimal control. Customize your ride with 3 riding modes and 3 speed assist levels through the integrated LCD display on the handlebar. Keep track of your speed, battery level, distance covered, and more. With DYU King, your off-road adventure just got a whole lot more exciting. So, which affordable electric bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and updated prices. Also hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Now, as always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.